Imagine never drinking lukewarm coffee again. Meet the Ember Mug 2, where every sip is as enjoyable as the first. Crafted with modern design, the Ember Mug 2 stands out in any setting. Its sleek lines and colors catch every eye. With advanced temperature control, your coffee stays hot and fresh, just how you like it. Choose from a range of metallic finishes that complement any style, from rose gold to silver. Embrace minimalism with a sleek white design, perfect for any minimalist aesthetic. Set your desired temperature with ease using the Ember app, ensuring each sip is perfect. Experience the elegance of gold that not only looks great, but performs exceptionally. Smart technology ensures your beverage remains at the perfect temperature for hours. Versatile and stylish, the Ember Mug 2 fits seamlessly into any lifestyle or decor. Enjoy a smart, spill-resistant design that adapts to your needs. The sleek metal finish adds a touch of sophistication to your daily routine. Its minimalistic appeal makes it a perfect gift for coffee lovers and tech enthusiasts alike. Copper elegance for those who appreciate refined style and function. Green freshness brings a natural vibe, enhancing your coffee experience. Say goodbye to cold coffee forever. Click the link below and get your Ember Mug 2 today.